Hi everyone! So obviously this video is different than usual. So this morning I was journaling about like a little experience I had, and then I just kept writing, and it was like, I was writing a letter to you guys and just opening up about some things, admitting some wrongs in the past, and I really wish I could send each and every single one of you this letter, rip it out, mail it to you. But unfortunately I can't. Plus, even if I could, I don't think you'd be able to read my writing, but it was pretty crazy. So I just started like journaling like I normally do in the morning, and then I went like 6 pages in, and it was just very real and raw, and I decided I'm going to share it with you guys today. I hope it makes sense. I didn't even like reread it or edit it or anything, like, because I want it to be real. I'll probably put some photos in at the end of the pages just because it was meant for you anyways. Here, oh, I didn't even save my spot, oops. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Got my little helper here, Emmy. How are you doing, Emmy? Your ears better? So yeah, hopefully it makes sense like I said, and if it doesn't, I'll just address anything in the comments or in another video. I'm going to do my best just to read right from the pages, and then, because I don't want to, like, again, edit anything out or change anything. Hopefully I can read my own writing. Like, yeah, I'm kind of far away right now. The fan's on, but I should be able to hopefully get that sound out. It's actually kind of quiet. The light is, I have really high ceilings and it's hard to get up there and turn off, but I'm just gonna stop blabbering and start reading. Okay, so I heard buzzing this morning and realized a giant wasp was in my apartment, right above me on the fan. Immediately I panicked. Is it going to hurt me, hurt Emmy? How am I going to get it out all by myself? What am I going to do? I let that fear consume me for a moment, but then I just took a deep breath. I pulled up my big girl pants, okay, shorts, walked over to the door, opened it, slowly stepped away, and almost instantly the wasp flew outside and I closed the door. The wasp did not want to be trapped in here either, and then my fear and panic instantly vanished. I realized that this wasp represents my anxiety and fear. I make things out to be so much worse and difficult in my head than they are in reality. So it's time for me to not only release the wasp, but also my fears and anxiety I have been holding on to. I need to, again, take a deep breath, pull up my big girl shorts, acknowledge my problems, figure out a solution, do it, and move on, free of that burden and unnecessary anxiety and fear. It's probably no surprise to anyone I've been going through some shit. We all have. Literally every person in this world has. We have all had different experiences, but they all are equally important and valid. It's safe to say I personally hit rock bottom a few months back, but I was a mess for much longer. I am fortunate and so grateful to say that I am doing better. I literally spent hours a day working on this, and since I know we can all relate in some way, I think it's important that I open up. I realized that I could use people, friends, our community to lean on, and I want to be there for you to lean on as well. For so long, I avoided or straight up ran or hid from my fears. I was fearful of being judged or called out for the mess I was, and kind of still am, and that led me to being a bad YouTuber and a bad friend, and I'm so sorry. Today I want to acknowledge my mistakes, and I also want to clarify that in no way am I trying to make excuses. I felt like I owed you, my friends, an explanation and apologies for my behaviors, and I want to discuss how I plan to move forward, hopefully still as a community. So, first off, I'm really sorry for my absence. Until recently, I've been very inconsistent with my posting. I am mostly feeling sorry for my absence in the comment section. I'm sorry that my fear of being judged led me to avoid them like the plague, literally up until this day. I now realize that 99.99% of the comments are from loved friends, and that I feel so happy when I do actually read the comments and I get to talk to you. I've also been absent from other social media, especially Instagram and my emails. I apologize for my complete lack of communication. And this goes for not just subscribers, but to other creators and businesses too. I'm truly sorry. I've neglected my channel membership, and I'm so sorry for my absence. I have been inconsistent with my giveaway dates and my rules, and that is not fair to you, and I'm truly sorry. There has been at least one instance when I was rude in a DM, and I should have handled that situation more maturely, even if the comment hurt me. I deleted and blocked that message, so I don't know who it is from, and I wish I did, and I wish I remembered so I could apologize to you directly. I am really sorry about that. I made snide remarks in videos, and they were mostly concerning comments I got, like from the survey, and other times too, I know. And this was a reflection of my own insecurities, and I should never have taken that out on you guys, on others. And I'm sure there are much more mistakes that I am missing, and I am so sorry if I did miss it, but please know that overall my intentions are good, and I honestly love and care about each and every single one of you. And I honestly love and care about each and every single one of you, and I would love to continue this situation. Oh, if I did forget okay, so if this is true, if I did forget anything I've done, which I'm sure I did, there's probably a lot of mistakes I've made, I'm human and flawed, but if I did forget anything, I would love to continue the conversation with you. So going forward, starting now, like how I released the wasp this morning, I'm going to embrace my fears and anxiety and face them head on and no longer hide and avoid them. So I plan to be more present in the comment sections, in my emails, on Instagram, and other social media. So I do limit my exposure to my phone, mostly for mental health reasons, and I'm going to now set time aside each day to check everything. So I might not answer everything immediately, but I will be present in the comments starting with this video. I'll try and go back, but for real, starting with this video, I am going to reply back to you guys. And I am going to take away the tier 2 of the channel membership. This was for giveaways to help fund the live stream, or fund the giveaways. And so what I would do, this is off topic, I was not going to do that, but I'll just explain really quickly. So I had a channel membership where I have it, there's 2 tiers. The first tier is just people who want to support the channel. Second tier was a little bit more expensive, and that was, so we would have some live streams, and then I would have giveaways in those live streams, so I was able to give back and have some support to pay for all the shipments, because it does really add up. It's expensive, but I wanted to give back, so I thought that was a great idea, and it was, until I just went off the deep end, and participation kind of went down. My fault, I'm sure, but so yeah, I'm going to take away that tier 2 because this was for giveaways to help fund them, and I had live streams. I'll keep level 1 for those who really want to continue supporting the channel, but no pressure. And since I'm going to take away the tier 2, I am now going to have monthly giveaways scheduled in. I still want to give back, and I want to have a scheduled monthly giveaway for all subscribers, so you don't have to be a member or anything like that. Just be here, watch the videos, and anyone, no matter where you are, can enter. So I'll have set dates, and I will be diligent with that. So it'll be at the end of each month. I'll talk about that later, but that is what I will do for the giveaways. And then I want to continue being open with all of you and continue to grow as a community. I hope you accept my apologies and see that I'm trying to grow as a person. I have a lot of flaws, but I am happy to acknowledge them and grow. I am so freaking grateful for you guys, I really am. And I literally write YouTube subscribers / friends on my gratitude list in my journal every single day, and I honestly am really grateful for you guys. I literally write that. I'll show that because the page where I did my gratitude is intertwined with these pages, so you'll see it. And I talked about my gratitude list and my morning routine in a vlog recently. So yeah, you guys, I think about you every day. I'm so appreciative for you, and I'm so sorry that I have seemed to not, because that's not the case. I was just in fear of being judged, afraid to acknowledge my flaws, and I have a lot more I haven't even talked about, but I love you all so much, and I am honestly super excited to see what the future brings us. Please give any constructive feedback down in the comments. I really want our community to grow and thrive. I've been trying really hard not to cry. So, I mean, I hope you guys understand and accept my apologies. Like I said, I'm really sorry I've been absent, and I think this will be a great opportunity for, like, just me acknowledging this. Now I won't be afraid to be talking to you guys. I know that sounds so silly, but I'm so sensitive, and I've tried so hard to be better. Like, I spend hours a day working on self-care. Like, I think I mentioned that in my writing, but I'm afraid I'll read like one bad comment and spiral. But that's just, that fear is, it's really rare, like, to get a bad comment, so I can't let that stop me from talking to my friends. Like, I think it'll do more harm than good to avoid the comments. And if I do get that mean comment and feel like I'm spiraling, I'll just tell you guys. I'll talk to you guys, I'll talk to Anna, I'll talk to a friend instead of spiraling, hopefully. So yeah, I'm gonna get through that fear, and I don't know, I hope you understand. I know it sounds silly, like even just singing out loud, it sounds super silly, but that's really the gist of it. And I know I miss things, like I said, so let me know. Constructive feedback is welcome, and I'm gonna embrace it now, not hide from it. So yeah, I really do love you guys. I'm so grateful for you, and yeah, like I said, I really look forward to the future, and yeah, I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you super soon. Bye, guys.